going to go, but I basically just wanted to tell my story. I've been struggling for, I guess, parts of the last decade working on my mental health. I had gotten into grad school at Stanford, and that was right after my father had passed away, so it was a hard time for me emotionally, and adapting to be a grad student was very difficult. I think I just wanted to talk about how during my time in grad school, one thing I noticed is that I always found it really empowering to listen to other people talk about their struggles with mental health. And it took me many years to stumble upon these people who struggle with some of the same things which I struggled with. So throughout that period, I struggled through some depression, struggled through mood swings, struggled through other aspects which made it hard to kind of stay on track with my academics. But looking back, I'm really grateful for all the people all my friends that actually, whether they spoke out publicly or privately, to share some of their struggles. So I just wanted to come here and, I guess, talk a little bit about my struggles and just say that it was hard, and I had, fortunately, resources on campus to help me through it, and that I just wanted to, I guess, kind of share that part of it. And when I started telling my friends about, I'm going to give a talk about disability and about kind of mental health and my struggles through it, they always talked about how they admire how I was always kind of, even though I would be depressed or couldn't really handle the word, I would always be kind of willing to try again. And I think being in technology, I was able to start quantifying myself and start understanding how I could kind of adapt to the world. So I became kind of really expert on nutrition and food, started becoming really expert on kind of fitness and exercise, and all of that, but I would kind of track all these things. So I understand, what affects my sleep, what affects my mood, what affects, should I eat this or that? And it took many, many years, but I finally feel that I got to a place where I'm kind of more or less stable. And I think looking back, it was still really hard, but I hope that I can start telling more people about my story. I'm still trying to figure out what does it mean to talk about these issues when it's kind of a really sensitive topic that people don't really talk about that much. And especially being in the tech world is challenging because it's a lot of people that's kind of really focused on work and focused on themselves, not about their own health. And I think I was just thinking about all my friends who had spoken up to me about their mental health issues, and in retrospect, I realized that they're all women. And it's different being in the tech world where I find a lot of men that don't really talk about their health or don't talk about what they're privately struggling with. But I guess that's why I'm here to kind of open up and share a little bit about my struggles with mental health. So feel free to talk more, and love to connect with different people that care about the space.